Hi, it's Shelly and welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? I'm about 3 weeks-ish about from going back home to Canada. So where I'm staying have graciously allowed me to leave a box because I'm renting the same place next year. And I have 2 suitcases, so I have to deal with all of my stuff. So I decided I would try to condense the size of the things that I'm leaving, because I'm talking like towels, sheets, Penny's bed, my pillow, things like that that are quite bulky, and I wanted to try and see if I can, get that size down a bit. So I ordered this from Amazon, and what it is, these are little vacuum bags, and it gives me a little pump here. So the idea is to put whatever you're storing into these bags and then suck all the air out, and it's supposed to make things get smaller and easier to store, I guess. And I think there will be some sort of protection in that too, possibly, because it's just going to sit here over the summer. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. So, okay, we're back, and now I'm going to try the pillow. I put it already in the big bag, and I noticed it comes with this little clip thing, and what that does is make it easy to close the bag. Oh, we can get this. Putting this back on again, and we'll start pumping. Okay, so I cut out, some of the pumping that was going on there, but I'm not sure if you can see just how flat that is. Like, that is pretty amazing. So let's just open her up and see what happens. I'm just gonna open it. Oh, look at that. The pillow just pops right back to regular size. Yep, my first impression is that these bags are going to be awesome for storing things. We have the place all cleared out and we're headed for the airport. I'm going to really miss my little home away from home, but we'll be back in 6 months. Since I'm a temporary resident, my first stop at the airport is the immigration office to have my passport stamped as leaving the country. Check-in was smooth, and we made our way through security, and we're at our gate. Penny has settled in for the trip. And we are off. So long, Mexico. See you next season. Coming into Toronto Airport to a rainy, dismal day. Penny was such a trooper, and she loves this vantage point.
Trust the simple ways and let it go. Easy.
Back home to some cool temperatures. We're acclimatizing. Got my porch at home all set up in my Mexican theme. We'll miss you, Mexico, but it's see you soon, not goodbye. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.